Opportunities like SkillsUSA set me up for success because they allow me to really put my hands-on skills to the test. I'm really excited about winning the SkillsUSA competition today to be able to bring the trophy back home to SEATech.
People kept cheering me on, and I didn't believe them until they called me up for second, and I was like, oh my goodness, that was so cool.
The SkillsUSA event today has been amazing. Some of the skills the students have shown today connect with my job at Boeing, being able to read blueprints, as well as safety and quality in our work's one of the most important things.
I've been very impressed today with everything that the students have accomplished. These skills connect to real-world manufacturing jobs, especially at Boeing. Since 2015, we have hired over 1,200 Core Plus students into Boeing.
The SkillsUSA competition was a big step in my career. It helped me get to my job. Core Plus Aerospace is one of the most important first steps that a student should take.
My Core Plus Aerospace experience, I learned how to drill, rivet, how to prepare my soft skills to look good on an application. My Core Plus Aerospace instructor is someone I look up to. She's definitely helped me get to where I am today.
Taking Core Plus Aerospace helps high school students really find a place to gain industry experience, getting the opportunity to not only come here, but to learn what is being adopted in the manufacturing industry, and having that hands-on skill is really vital.
Core Plus Aerospace helps my students learn manufacturing in a variety of ways. They get to learn quality assurance, blueprint reading. It's a curriculum that benefits all areas of manufacturing, and it gives those students a way to start that career while they're in high school.
Core Plus Aerospace has helped me grow my tangible hands-on skills. It really made me kind of branch out and learn new things. I would encourage students to pursue a manufacturing career because hands-on skills, they're needed everywhere. If you gave it a try, it might be something you really love.